Yo, if it mean me for turn on my phone and go live every day, of course, some of the great, I go all a vibe every day. Tell them precisely, read words of wisdom and open my eyes every day. Of course, me would want to get wise every day. Tell them precisely, we can't deal with them people who tell lies every day. Every day them see with progress. Someone will die every day. Higher heights in our life we have to climb every day. So right now, we just abandon the dirty bad mind every day. Tell them precisely, great way is the gateway. I'm a slang. Me recite every day. No matter what them say. Great way is the gateway. Alright, so that never written. It's not my usual style of trying to freestyle. But, you know, we just have a vibe. And decide we're going to just share a couple rhymes and get people to smile. You get to me and say, as you don't see and know, the internet is filled with all kinds of things. Negatively, low frequency energy. And to me, that's not consuming. But some might find it interesting, while some might find it irritating. But you know what you want to digest. You know what you want to absorb in your brain. You know what you want to create an impact or an effect in your life. But what about the smaller ones, the children who don't know better? Because I know every parent I go there with them youth to say, hey, do this and don't do that. Some of the youth listen to them peers more than how them listen to them parents. But as a grown adult, not for only know wrong from right, but people do what they want to do regardless because of likes. And how is that contributing greatness among our people? How is it of any value contributing in a world where we hope to, make things more easier? Me don't know, but merely my contents them don't get much whole heap of views. A lot of persons might be watching this and they might not be wanting to share this because to them it's not entertaining. It's a tell them say burn out the negative things and stop the nasty, freaky, evil things. But most people like these things. So, one, the algorithm not gonna make it go where it for go. Two, the people are not gonna click like, comment and share because them feel like it's a waste of time. But out of every 10,000 people, maybe 3 still want to hear me. But regardless, 3, 2, 1, as long as my message reach out, I go always preach out. Tell them precisely, you're not going to see me looking freaky and bleach out. Yes, some is still treading these routes. And big up the people and always I believe in everything where the great say. Positive vibes. Impacting lives. For some, life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle. They get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life. I live to see another day. Look out and check my book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. I'm here to tell you, them especially the one them their yard. From the garrison which part I come from. Featherbed Lane to Red Pond. Youth, stay focused. Stay conscious. Be wise and realize you can rise and go get that prize. Do something progressive and not turn no crop, son. No say it hard, but better it must come. Take your minds off a war and about to go bust guns. Violence and drugs leave you under the dust, son. It hot but hush. You know say it rough. Yo, my friend, stay strong. Don't give up, no running vanity stuff. No, my friend, stay strong. Enough of them a sprat them just a hack and a go on big. Yappa chat. I be a nastiness them go on with. I wanna check it out and them police gone with. Because them can't hear about them around things red. I know them dead and a tears relatives are shed. Mr. War is not a must, so make we sit down and reason. For the youths, unite should be an all-round season. Yo, youths. Just done with the stupidness, man. A time for if you are living a great joy and harmony. You get to me and say too much of the war and crime and the negativity. Too much bad mind. That's not fine. Anyway, a next poem from my book. It's called Sick. I am sick, no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for social media, probably you would have never heard about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who and you are arguing? I'm just sick of being broke, son. And can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We're living among a sick generation. Look out and check the book out, Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. It's on Amazon. Look out and check my short movie out, The Jamaican Poet, that is on YouTube. Big respect to the entire team, great. Tell them precisely. The Jamaican Poet was what we create for the Providence 48-hour film project. And we get the Rhode Island Icon Award. You get me? So in the meantime now, my people, I'm gonna drop maybe 2 or 3 more. And then you can do the rest by doing the research and go search and find. Yeah. I'll do 2 more. This one is called You'll Be Okay. Ladies, you are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. Ladies, you are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. The skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moment, you experience pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. But be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. Ladies, you'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, it'll be the strongest you ever feel. Ladies, you are remarkable, you are sweet. Trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you because you got no time to play. You're a fighter, a survivor who resists to quit. You're loved, you're a goddess, you deserve lifetime happiness. The final one before I go, life is like, for some, life is like a game so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle they get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life. I live to see another day. Maximum respect in every aspect. The journey continue, tell them precisely. We never stop.